This just in, Blue Guy and his friends have been taken to court by his friends for killing them in the alternate future. When future Blue Guy tells a lie about the universe collapsing, they decide to... Wait, what the heck, murder's a crime. Is Blue Guy telling the truth? Let's find out. Hello everyone, I'm Pigeon, and today I'm gonna murder. Why did Blue Guy do such a thing?
Sucks.
Members of the jury, Blue Guy and his friends committed not to save the universe, but truly out of spine. I love this guy. You know what I love more? Justice! Assemble me, honor? Listen, gentlemen, we didn't murder you because we hate you. We were trying to save the universe. Yeah! Heck right! Mr. Blue Guy, are you telling the truth? Yes! Shoot. Well, if you're telling the truth, then, snap your fingers. See, he lied! Objection, Your Honor. If he was telling the truth, he wouldn't have snapped his fingers. Guy! Look, we didn't mean to hurt anybody. My first yourself just lied to us. Yeah, exactly. Friends. Would you not kill all of your friends? I know we would, because we did. Oh no. Can we rephrase that? Blue Guy and his friends have committed lots of deaths. You kill us, so you shall be killed by this chicken. Burp. They want us to fight a chicken? Not just a chicken. Chicken! Yeah! Dear God, he's programmed to mimic the monsters you become. You stupid! For puppet. Plus, forbidden. We have to save him. What? Forget that, Brian. He tried to make us look like the bad guys. If we don't save him, we are the bad guys. Oh, forget it. We're saving the boy. You can't be serious. I'm coming, jockey! Yeah. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Woo. Somebody help me! I'm gonna die to a chicken jockey! Incoming! Whoa! What? Why'd you sacrifice yourself, Blue Guy? Well, you can't have Blue Guy and friends without friends. You're damn right, pal. Woohoo! You fought off Chicken Jockey. What a heartwarming conclusion. Meow. You finally did it. Chicken Jockey defeated. He tried to murder someone anyway.